This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Aripur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find company location from Google. At first, you have to right click on the company name, click on the copy, then minimize the Excel program. Now you have to open Google Chrome. Type google.com in the address bar. Then press enter to go. Paste the company name and press enter. You can be able to find company address from here.